revision on Unit 11 from المعاصر book, page 49. Look at with me about question number 1. Complete. Number 1, the number of vertices of cone is what? We have here the cone. We call it the cone. We have one vertex here. The number of vertices, it will be 1. We called it vertex. The number of vertices, it will be 1. Question number 2. The cuboid has space edges. We call this cuboid. The cuboid has 12 edges and 8 vertices and 6 faces. We called it what? Cuboid. We call this cuboid. We called this solid here, we called it cuboid. Then the cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices, 6 faces. You want to find how many edges? We can write in the space 12. Question number 3. A cuboid has 2 horizontal layers and each layer has 6 cubes. Then its volume equal product between 2 and 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. Then the result will be 12 cube unit. What about this word horizontal layer? Horizontal layer here, it will be 1 and 2. We have 2 horizontal layer, okay? They are 2 horizontal, and we can write here the number of horizontal layers product by the number of cube in each one. Each one contains of 6 cube. Then the volume will be number of horizontal layers and the number of cube in each layer. 2 times 6 equal 12. Question number 4. The volume of cuboid equal base area times the height. Question number 4. We can write in the space height. What about this rule? We know the volume equal base of the area product by height. It's cuboid. This base, and we have lengths and widths. The area of the base equal length times width product by the height. You can get the volume, or the volume equal base area times the height. Okay, we can write in the space this word height, right? Height. We called it height. Then the volume equal base area times the height. Write this word in the space. Question number 5. The volume of cuboid of dimension 2, 5, and 6 equal 2 times 5 times 6. Okay. The volume equal length times width times height. 2 times 5 times 6. 2 times 5 times 6. 2 times 5 equal 10 times 6 equal 60. Then the result will be 60 cubic meter. Question number 6. The cube has space faces. We have here 6 faces in the cube. We call it cube. The cube has 6 faces. This called it face. This face, this flap, this lid here, face. How many faces? 6 faces. And 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. And 12 edges. Then you can write in the space 6 faces. Question 7. The volume of cuboid with base area 80 square centimeter and its height was 5 centimeter equal. We can find the product between them. Then the volume equal 80 times 5. The volume of cuboid base area times height. 80 times 5 write 0, and 5 times 8 equal 40. Then the result will be 400 cubic centimeter. Question 8. If the volume of cuboid equal 40 cubic centimeter and its base area equal 8 centimeter power 2, then its height equals, the height equals volume over base of the area. You can find the height by write volume in the numerator and base area in the numerator to find the height. Here is a quotient between them, 40. 40 here is the volume, and the area here in the base area equal 8. 40 divided by 8 equal 5, and right behind it centimeter. It was question 8. Question number 9. The cylinder has two bases. We have two bases. We called it cylinder. This cylinder, we have one base, two bases, one and one, two bases. And each one of them, we called it a circle. The base of cylinder is a circle, and we have two bases congruent. Question number 10. The cuboid of length 6 centimeter and width 4 centimeter and the height 3 centimeters. Its volume equal length times width times height. 6 times 4 times 3. 6 times 4 equal 24. Times 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and carry of 1. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 72 cubic centimeter. Question 11. The volume of this cuboid equal what? We can find the length and width and height. Okay, we have here cuboid. Okay, you can draw this cuboid here like this. We have base and height. It's similar. This okay. We have here, count with me. Here in the base 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side lengths. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lengths unit. And height 3. 1, 2, 3. Then the volume equal 4 times 5 times 3. 4 times 5 equal 20. 20 times 3 equals 60 cubic centimeter, or 60, we can write 60 here cube, 60 cube. Question 11, the result will be 60. Next question. Question number 12. The volume of cuboid equal base area times the height. Right, base area. The volume of cuboid, base area times the height. Okay, base area times what? Times the height. Base area times what? Times the height. Okay. And if you want to find the height equal volume divided base area. If you want to find base area equal volume divided height. And then you can draw this triangle right in the top, volume, and here in the down, height and area base. Question 13. Using the opposite solid to find letter A, number of horizontal layers and number of cubes. Okay, we can write here number of horizontal layers. How many horizontal layers here? How many here? We have 2 horizontal layers, 1 and 2. We called it 2 horizontal layers. 2 horizontal layers. Okay, pay attention with me here. We have 2 horizontal layers here. Which shall letter B? Number of cubes in each horizontal layers you can count. Count here with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. Then the result here first, letter E will be 2 horizontal layers. And letter B, we have 8 cube in each one. Letter C, you want to find the volume. The volume equal to product by 8. the number of horizontal layers product by the number of cube in each one. Okay, to find the volume, we can write the number of horizontal layers and the number of cube in each one, product between them. Okay, the result will be 16 cubic. Here 16. Okay, we can write 16. The volume will be 16. Question letter, it was letter C, cube units, 16 cube units. Here, right here, cube units. Question 14. The volume of the opposite solid here, we have cuboid, right, length times width times the height. 10 times 3 times the height was 5. 10 times 3 equals 30. Product by 5, right? 0 and 3 times 5 equal 15. This result will be 150 cubic centimeter. Question 15. Using the opposite solid, find the number of horizontal layers here. Count with me to find the number of horizontal layers here. 1. You must pay attention, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the height. Okay, count with me in the height. How many height? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here refers to the number of horizontal layers. Letter B, number of cubes in each layer. In each layer contains how many cubes? We can find the number how? You can write length times width. To find, question letter P, to find the number of cubes in each layer, write area base. Length times width. Okay, in this question, letter B, if you want to find number of cubes in each layer, you can find area of the base or base area. Find base area. It's meaning length product by width. In each one of them, look at here, pay attention, we have length 3 and width was 3. Then, question letter B, the number of cubes in each layer, it will be 3 times 3, it will be 9. It's a very important question, okay? Number of cubes in each layer, it's meaning area is. Letter B, number of cubes in each layer, it's meaning base area. Base of the area. Base of the area, length times width. Count here, length is 3, width is 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. It was letter B. Letter C, volume. We can find the volume by write the number of horizontal layers. The number of horizontal layers product by number of cubes in each layer was 9. 5 times 9 equal 45 cubic centimeter. Again, if you want to find the volume of the solid, you must find number of horizontal layers and number of cubes in each layer and then write product between them. Again, the volume of this solid cuboid, number of you can find the volume of cuboid. We call this cuboid, okay? The volume of cuboid equal number of horizontal layers product by number of cubes in each layer. The result will be 49. It was question 15. What about question 16? The volume of opposite solid here, we have base area and height. Base area was 15 square centimeter and the height was 10. Then the volume equal 15 product by 10. Then the volume it will be 150 cubic centimeter. Okay. Question 17. Complete to find the volume, letter A, length and width and height and volume here. Okay, we have cuboid here. You want to find length and width and height and to find the volume. Okay, this question we have 2 units here in the base. Okay, 1 and 2. Then length will be 2 units. Okay, and the width was 1 and 2. 2 length unit. And what about the height here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the volume equal length times width times height. 2 times 2 times 5, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the volume, it will be 20 square units. Okay, I solve another question. I will solve this again, okay, because I solved last question. I solve up question. No, we will solve this question here. 2 times 2 times 4. The height here was 4, okay. Then we have length 2 units and width 2 units and height here 4 lengths, okay. Then the volume equal length times width times the height. Then the volume equal product between them. 2 times 2 times 4, 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 times 4 equal 16 cube units. This is the volume, okay. Question 18. The volume of cuboid equal space times width times height times length times width times height. Question 18. Write length. Write length, okay. Question 19. The missing dimension of the opposite cuboid is what? We have here cuboid and we want to find the height. The height equal volume over width times the height times, you want to find what height or the base, you want to find the length. Okay, we have the rule here. We want to find this example the length. Length equal volume over width times height. Then the length here will be equal, volume was what? 100, width 5, and length and height was 2. Then 100 over 10, then it will be 10 centimeter. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. Number 1, we have here how many cubes you can write or count them. The number of horizontal layers product by each of them. We have 1 horizontal layers here and we have how many cubes in it? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6 equal 18. Then the volume here to be 18 times 1 equal 18. Choose the part C. Question number 2. The volume of the opposite cuboid. We can write the volume length times width times height. Length here 8 or 5. Okay, 5 times 2 times 3. 5 times 2 equal 10. 10 times 3 equal 30. 30 cubic centimeter. Question number 4. Question number 3. Okay, number 3. We have here cuboid and we want to find the area. No, he won't find the volume. He gives us the area equals 16 and the height 4. Then the volume equal base area times the height. 4 times 6 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up to 1 times 4 equal 4 plus 2 equal 6. The result will be 64 cubic centimeter. Question number 4. The volume of the opposite figure, okay. We have cuboid again. The volume equal length times width times height of, or we can write area of the base times the height. Base area times the height, right? 20 reduced by 3, the result will be 60 cubic centimeter. Next question. Count with me here. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5, page 50. Okay, question number 5. Volume of cuboid was 60 cubic centimeter and base area was 20. Then we want to find the height. We can find the height equal volume over area is base of the area. Volume was 60 and base of area was 20. You can find the height. 60 divided by 20 equals 3 centimeter. Question number 6. A figure consisting of 5 slices. Each slice has 4 cube units. Then the volume equal what? Okay, we have here in this example slice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slices. It's meaning horizontal. Slice here it's meaning what? Horizontal. We have 5 slices and each one contains 4 cubes. 4 cubes. 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Like this. Okay, we have 4 product by 5 to find the volume. To find the volume, you must write the number of slices, product the number of cube in each slice. Again, we started from 5 minutes. Volume of cuboid equal number of horizontal layers, product the number of cube in each horizontal layer. And now we will solve this example by finding the volume of cuboid by write the number of size, the number of slice, product by the number of cube in each slice. You can write the number of slice and the number of cube in each slice and then find the product between them. 4 times 5 equal 20. And the volume here would be 20 cube units. Okay, cube units. Look at with me about question number 7. Space. The space has no vertices, no edges, no faces. We call it sphere. This sphere, like the ball, okay? Sphere. Sphere has no vertices, no edges, no faces. Question 8. Cuboid length 5 centimeter, width 2 centimeter, height 3 centimeters. Then the volume equal length times width times the height. 5 times 2 times 3. 5 times 2 equal 10. 10 times 3 equal 30. 30 cubic centimeter. Question number 9. From the measuring unit of volume is what? Cubic meter. You must choose letter D. It's a unit of volume. But kilometer, the length, square centimeter using to find the area. Meter using to find the length or width or the height. Question number 10. Question number 10. If the base area of cuboid is 21 square centimeter and the height 3 centimeters is the volume of the cuboid, it will be base area times the height. Base area times the height. Base area times the height. Base area was 21. Height was 3. 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 2 equal 6. Then the volume will be 63. 63 cubic centimeter. 63 cubic centimeter. Question 11. The missing dimension of the opposite here, he gives us the volume in this example. Attention with me, my students. In this example, he won't find what? The height. The height, to find the height equal volume equal length times width. In the volume, he gives us the volume was 120 cubic centimeters. Then we can find the height by write the volume in the top and the length times width. 8 times 3, write 120 over 3 times 8 equal 24. And the result will be 5 centimeter. 120 divided by 24 equal 5 centimeters. Then the height here in this example will be 5 centimeter. Okay, understood? Write the volume in the numerator and length times width in the numerator, and then write 120 here, and 8 times 3, 8 here was the length and 3 the width, and the product between 3 times 8 equal 24. 120 divided by 24, it will be 5. Question number 12. Length of cuboid equal volume over width times the length. Or you can write the volume over Where's the rule here? We find the length, okay, width times height, okay. Question 12, he won't find the length of cuboid, write the volume over width times height. Choose letter B. Question 13, volume of solid format from folding net square space here. Look at, we won't find about this cuboid length and width and height. Okay, it's not, we haven't read here about this question, okay? You must write here how many lengths and widths and height. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 lengths and 2 widths and height 2. And the volume equal 3 times 2 times 2 lengths times width times height. It will be 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12. Then the volume here it will be 12. Choose letter A about question 13. Question 13 choose letter A. Question 14. Volume of the opposite cuboid here we can write length times width times height. Then the volume will be equal length times width times height. Length here 3 units and width was 3 units and height 2 units. 3 times 3 9, 9 times 2 equal 18. Then the volume will be 18 cubic. You won't find the formula, okay, right? 3 times 3 times 2, where 3 times 3 times 2? Where we can write 3 times 2 times 3, choose letter C. Okay, volume here it will be 3 times 2 times 3. 3 times 2 times 3. Choose letter C about this example, question number 14. Question number 15. The capacity, the opposite figure is what? It's meaning the volume. This word capacity, it's meaning the volume. We can write the volume here, length times width times height. Length here was 2 units. Count with me, 1 and 2. 2 units. And width was here 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay, this example. No, it was question 15. Okay, it was question 15. Okay. Length 2 and width 2 and height 2. It's a cube. The volume of cube equal length times length times length. It will be 8 cubic centimeters. The volume about question 15. Next question 16. The space has one vertex. One vertex we call it cone. The cone has one vertex. We call it cone. Question 17. Cuboid has 2 horizontal layers and each layer has 6 cubic centimeters. Then its volume equal what? We can write the volume about question 17 by using the rule. We know the volume of cuboid equal number of horizontal layers product by number of cube in each layer. He give us 2 horizontal layers and each layer contains of 6 cubes. Then the volume equal 2 times 6 equal 12 cubic centimeter. Okay, the volume here it will be 12. The volume it will be 12 cubic centimeter or 12, you can write 12 cube. Okay, write 12 cube. Question 18. The cuboid has 4 horizontal layers and 2 cube units in each layer. Then its volume will be 4 times 2. It will be 8 cube units. Question number 18. Choose letter A. Question number 17. Choose letter C. Now we will solve question number 19. The opposite solid is called cuboid. Cuboid or rectangular prism. You can call it cuboid or you can call it what? We can call it rectangular prism. Okay, rectangular prism or cuboid. Choose letter A. Question 20. The cube centimeter is the unit of measuring of what? Of the volume. Cubic centimeter, using here to find the volume, shows letter D. Question 21. The opposite figure here, we can find the volume length times width times height. Right here, length times width times height. The length here was 10, and width was 3, and the height was 4. 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 10, it will be 120. Then we must write in the example here, write 3. Write 3 in the space. Choose letter B. Question number 3 answers the following. Record dimension here to find the volume. Okay, we can write here length and width and height. Length here 1. Count with me here about the example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, and width 2 unit. We have length 4 units and length and width 2 units and height 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Then the volume equal length times width times height. 4 times 2 times 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. Then the result will be 32 cubic units. Question number 2. Find the volume of the solid. We know the volume equal length times width times height. Length here 10 times 5 times 8. It's very easy. Question number 2. Write the volume. Length times width times height. The length here was 10 and width 5 and the height was 8. 10 times 5 equal 50 times 8, write 0. 5 times 8 equal 40. Since the result will be 400 cubic centimeter. Next question. Question number 3. Find the volume of rectangular prism. Its length 6, width 5, height 10 centimeter. We can find the volume equal length times width times the height. The length here 6 and width 5 and the height 10. 6 times 5 30. 30 times 10 it will be 300. The result will be 300 cubic centimeter. Question number 4. Find the volume of the opposite solid here. We can write the number of horizontal or number of solids. Here product is a cube of each one. Each one contain of 2, and we have vertical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8, and each one contains 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. Or you can write by using the rule, volume equal length times width times height. The length here 1, 2, 3, 4, and width 2, and the height was 2. The result will be 16 cubic centimeter. Cubic unit. We can write cubic unit. Next example. Question number 5. The volume of a box of shoes storage is 24,000 cubic centimeter, and the area of the base is 800 square centimeter. Find the height. Okay, we have here box. They give us the volume and base area, and you want to find the height. To find the height, here you can find volume over base area. The volume was 24,000 cubic centimeter and base area 800. Cancel double 0 by double 0, and 24 divided by 8 equals 3, and write 0, and then the result will be 30 centimeters height. Question number 6. If the volume of cuboid 160 cubic centimeter and the area of base 20 square centimeter, you want to find the height. Okay. Question number 6, we can find the height. Volume divided by base area. The volume here was 160 divided by 20, cancel 0 by 0, and 16 divided by 2 equal 8, right, centimeter. Question number 7. Cuboid whose volume 300 cubic centimeter and its base area 30 square centimeter, finds the height. We can write the height equal the volume over base area. The volume was 300 over base area 30, cancel 0 by 0, and 30 divided by 3 equal 10, and the height equal 10 centimeter. Okay, it's the last question. Understood? You must study hard all examples. Goodbye.